7 Mavi or 7 Blue is a residential complex, a seafront one, nestled along Marmara Sea on European part of Istanbul with a stunning, open, breathtaking sea view on Marmara Sea. Let us get inside the details together. Today I'm gonna show you one of the best apartment in terms of the view, the quality, the location. In Istanbul, Turkey, we have 4-bedroom apartment with this open, breathtaking view on Marmara Sea. The largest apartment, the most beautiful in terms of the view, the location in Istanbul, Turkey. I'm inside the living room of this apartment, which is approximately 50 square meter. All of this one is called a balcony, or maybe it's a terrace. This breathtaking terrace is about 30 square meter that has an amazing view on the landscape of the property, just right here. And then on this side, it has an amazing, open, breathtaking view on Marmara Sea. Imagine in the morning time or maybe in the midnight, having a cup of coffee with the beloved one on this amazing balcony. Don't you think that is beautiful? And here is the kitchen of this amazing property that have a good finishing, or a perfect finishing actually, with the granite countertops and stainless steel and big size of the cabinet space. We have some items that will be delivered with this apartment, which is under the brand of Siemens, okay, like oven and a stove and fridge and the dishwasher, okay guys. So it looks that this kitchen has been designed for those who loves to cook together due to its big size. Let us not forget that the kitchen has an access to the balcony from here. So it provides also, the outage of the apartment provides an easy access from the balcony, the living room, to the kitchen, to the sleeping room, to every place. From here, we have the entrance to the apartment, like this. And on this side, you have fully smart system that you can control the heating, the security, and many advantages. Then, this is the hall, the entrance of the apartment, how big it is. It's very spacious, guys, okay? Then we move right here to the living room, the spacious living room. That was the kitchen, the living room on this side. Then now we are moving to the next part. Here we have the kind of storage, so you can put your extra items here. The natural light is very important in every place. This is Marmara Sea. And right here we have the sun is hitting inside this beautiful apartment from each corner. Here is another room, 3rd bedroom, 4th bedroom. Here is another one with the sun inside the apartment. Also an amazing open view on Marmara Sea. Guess what, guys? It has a washing room also inside it. So 1, 2, 3, till now we have 3 washing rooms. Let us move to the master bedroom. When you come to the master bedroom, on the right side, you have closet space like this. Okay? For the privacy also, you can close it. Very luxury master bedroom. A lifestyle master bedroom with the bathroom inside it. It's really spacious, guys, by the way. It's a space. And here you have an open view on Marmara Sea.